Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating 3 looks using the Huda Beauty Neon Orange palette. Now these shades don't have names, so I will be putting the palette and highlighting the names with a circle in the lower right corner. And so starting out with the first look, I'm priming with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo. This is a perfect white sticky base for bright neon eyeshadows like these. First, I'm going in with this neon pink shadow in the crease. And here I messed up a little bit and I didn't expect this much pigmentation, so the shadow kind of stuck in that area and I had to do a lot of work blending it out, but that was totally not the eyeshadow's fault. And I'm only bringing this from the outer crease to my inner crease. And I'm going to be going with the orange shade on my inner crease. And then on the outer edges of my lid, I'm going to be going in with this magenta shade. Also very pigmented and easily blendable, no issues with patchiness or anything. Then I'm gonna use the Cut Crease Canvas again in the center to get a nice edge. And I'm gonna start a little lower to be safe and just keep checking, opening my eye on how much higher I wanna take it. Then I'm going in with the neon yellow shimmer shade in the center, and this shade gave me a lot of trouble. It did not want to apply and I just had to keep packing it on, and I ended up wetting the brush, but I felt like the shade looked very chunky on the lid. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video, but it kind of looked like it was gonna crumble off. And then I'm connecting the lower lash line with that magenta shade, and in the waterline I have the Colourpop gel liner in Crossed, and this is the first finished look. I'm going in with the yellow shade in the crease first and just blending that out sideways and then up. And then all over the lid, I'm going in with the light tangerine shade in the center and just patting that on, not quite blending, just really trying to build up that pigmentation. And then I'm just going to very lightly blend in the edge of that shade. And then I tried to go in with the orange shimmer in the center of my lid, and again it was just not applying whatsoever. It's very flaky and it definitely needs some kind of a glitter primer. So I used my usual Fyrinnae Pixie Epoxy, but I do feel like this formula was not made for this shadow because I felt like my lid looks super textured after this. It just feels like chunky flakes. And I got frustrated, so I went in with my finger, which then helped a lot to just kind of distribute it evenly and press in that shimmer. So next time I use this palette, I'm gonna use my finger with these shimmers. And then on the lower lash line, I'm going in with first the tangerine shade and then blending into the edge of that the yellow shade. And this is the finished second look. And for this last third look, I'm going in with the pink shade and blending that out all over my crease, building that up. And on the edge of that, I'm going to go in with the yellow and kind of help blend out those edges with the yellow. It almost creates like a subtle sunset look. And then I'm going in with this really vibrant purple, and I'm going to be creating a wing. And for this, I'm going to be using the Sigma Pencil E30 brush, and this is my favorite for the lower lash line as well as creating wings with eyeshadow. And I'm going to start that out kind of on my lid and slowly work my way in, sticking close to the lash line. Next, I'm going in with the Fyrinnae Pixie Epoxy. And I tried using the Huda sponge applicator because this one is pretty good for those kinds of shimmers. And it was okay, but I think finger application is best with these metallics. And lastly, I'm just going to be going over that wing to kind of get rid of some of the shimmer that might be overlapping. And then for the lower lash line, I'm connecting with that purple. And I'm going about halfway. And for the waterline, surprise, surprise, I'm going in again with Colourpop gel liner
And this one is in the shade Insomniac.
And this is the third finished look. Let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite, and if you have this palette and how you like it. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.